Here it is. Let's go ahead and open it. Spent, I think, roughly $28,000, or just unboxed $28,000 worth of stuff. What is up, guys, and welcome back to episode number 8. Today we're not going to be doing any trading. This is going to be a vlog style episode, and we're going to be heading into the city and doing some Rolex shopping. As you guys know, I have this Rolex right here, but I'm looking for a solid gold one. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can find one and buy one. And with that said, make sure to subscribe if you have not already. Let's get on with today's video. All right, we made it, and now we're on our way to find hopefully a Rolex. It's really cold out today. I think we'll grab lunch probably, and you know, pretty relaxing day. Haven't made any moves, checking in on the market, which has actually been pretty much pulling back throughout the entire day. So we'll let you guys know how it goes, and I'll just keep checking in. This jacket right here. Don't you like that?
Pretty sweet.
No, it literally looks so good.
It's sweet. I know you don't want to let me. I know you don't want to buy it, but it's awesome.
Bro, this is not funny. I spent way too much money. Okay, I'm gonna get it. We're getting it. It's $2,500, but I'm getting it.
Let's go. Yeah.
All right, so we just got back to the office. We picked up a couple of packages and we're about to open them. These are outfits and something special you're gonna see that I open. In about a week, we're actually flying on a private jet, so I got a couple of outfits to wear on that jet. So let's go ahead and open them. This one is, I believe, from Prada. There's a huge box. I hope you can see that. I'm gonna hang on. All right, I have never seen such crazy packaging. They put like a literal clothes hanger thing so it doesn't get wrinkled, I guess, because this vest was $2,600. Ooh, this is crazy. Oh, it's so nice. Here it is. That is so sick. All right, I'm not gonna put it on top of my suit, but this is the vest. Prada vest. All right, this is not the outfit, but I just had to put it on. It fits well. We're gonna go ahead and open up the rest of the outfit. I believe this is belts, pants, turtleneck, all from my friend who's a designer in LA. He sent me all this stuff. Shout out to him. And this is much easier to open than this. Okay, so we've got these shoes, packaging, belt, and we've got the turtleneck and pants. So pants and turtleneck. Hugo Boss belt. Okay, let's open the shoes. Oh yeah, these are sweet. So we're going with the all black outfit, black turtleneck, black shoes, black pants, black belt, black Prada vest. It is gonna look so good. And there's a bag for the shoes. This outfit is so sweet. Can you hand me the next box? Ooh, I like this packaging much more. All right, the huge box from Gucci. It's a present from Gucci. Let's see if I can turn this to the camera. Let me take it out. Thank you. Okay, cool. Very nice. Oh boy. This is the most absurd wrapping I've ever seen. Oh, look at that. That's super cool. What? Look at this. Yo. All right. Wow. That is some very fancy packaging. I think that is where the value of this bag is, in the packaging. All right, the big reveal. Oh my word, this thing looks so nice. $2,000 Gucci bag. Crazy. Oh my word. Okay, that's not it. We've gotta open something, the next thing that is gonna complete the outfit. But so far, let's see, 2,000, 2,500. I believe these were 4. Belt was like a couple hundred, shirt was a couple hundred, pants were a couple hundred. We're up over like 5-6 grand at this point. So yeah, I don't even know what to say to that. Let's go ahead and open up what you've all been waiting for. So as you guys know, I've mentioned it a couple times in the last few videos. I've been looking for another Rolex. I have this current one, which I bought about a year ago, and I've been in the market. I found one. It was $20,000. Yes, that's right. I'll put the receipt right there. I spent $20,000 on a watch. Now, I am thinking of this more as an investment, just like I bought this one a year ago for about $8,500, and it's now worth $12,000 to $13,000. Actually, we walked into a jewelry store and they said $15,000, but I can't sell it because I like it. But watches for me are an investment. Why not put your money in a place where it's not just losing value sitting in your bank account, where it's actually gaining value and at the same time you get to wear it. So wearing a watch for a year and making some money wearing it, not too bad. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here it is. Whew. Let's go ahead and open it. Imagine it's just not in here. The big reveal. Okay, there's a box inside a box. We take out the next box. Alrighty. Woo, it's nice looking. Good news, the watch is here. So this is a yellow gold day date Rolex, 36 millimeters. I got it for $20,000. Absolutely beautiful watch. Let's put it on here. I gotta take off my current Rolex. Wow. Oh, it feels so good too. All right, that is gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. We spent, I think, roughly $28,000, or just unboxed $28,000 worth of stuff. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet, and stay tuned for the next video. Again, we post every week Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So with that said, hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you all in the next video. Later.
A live audience.
Hell yeah. I feel weird looking down at the camera. Would it be weird if you raised it? Fine.
It's so wide that you can't tell, really.
Yeah, it looks, your jacket or your shirt, whatever, the brown looks cool. With the filter, I'm gonna use the filter here. Okay, let's go.